everyone, my name is Bernadine Ferral and I am a first-year student taking up the Bachelor of Science in Nursing and I am Section A. In this video, I would like to share a little about myself, why I choose this program, and how I see myself in the future as a nursing student and aspiring registered nurse. First, why did you choose nursing, or was it your choice in the first place? So yes, this is my first choice. And I choose nursing because I have always wanted a career where I can genuinely help and care for others. For me, nursing is more than just treating illnesses. It is about showing compassion, understanding, and being there for people during some of the difficult moments in their lives. Among the many career paths I could have taken, I choose nursing because I believe it is both meaningful and rewarding. Another reason why I choose this profession is because of my family. They have worked hard and made countless sacrifices to support me and help me reach this point. Seeing their efforts motivates me to do my best and succeed. I want to give back to them someday, provide them with a better life, and make them proud. Their love, support, and sacrifices inspire me to keep pursuing my dreams and become the best nurse I can be. Second, how do you see yourself 5 years from now after passing the board exam? So 5 years from now, after passing the board exam, I see myself as a competent and compassionate registered nurse who continuously improves my knowledge and skills. One of the biggest dreams is to work in the United States someday. I know it will not be easy, but with hard work, perseverance, and God's guidance, I believe I can achieve it. Working in the USA is not only a dream for myself, but also for my family. I want to support them financially, repay all their sacrifices, and give them a comfortable life. I dream of building our own house and making my parents proud. Above all, I hope to become a nurse who serves with compassion, integrity, and dedication, making a positive impact to the lives of others.